Arg, Burches, today is gonna be a good day because it be Halloween! And All Hallows Eve, you get to dress up however you like, and this year I've chosen a pirate. You know what that means? Lots of booty.
Woo.
Happy Halloween, everybody! We hope you had a fantastic day this Halloween, with it being a little weird and whatnot. We're pretty stoked, though. As you can see, I'm a pirate, you know, pretty cool swashbuckler, if you wanna, you know, whatever you wanna call me. Pretty sweet. And then we got Shaylee, also.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, sexy pirate. She got a sword. She got the fishnets. I like fishnets. And then we got Kaylee, or should I say, the Queen of Mean. Oh, look at you. We still got to get her a wig though, so she can have some pink hair to go along with it.
Hey, it's pink, purple, and blue.
We'll see what we can find.
A mixture even. But basically, this was all brought on by this little girl who is completely sacked out. And has been. Oh, she's been fighting a cold the last few days. Don't worry, it's nothing serious. They had to shove the stupid swab up her nose. She doesn't have COVID. Twice, in fact. But no, she's fine. She just has a regular little cold. But it's still sad. But you guys will not believe how cute she is in her costume. And her costume is why we chose our costumes. But check out this footage from when we went to buy the girls their costumes at Target. It is so freaking funny and so adorable. Look at it. Somebody let a parrot loose in Target. Oh, it's discovered itself.
Hello, little parrot. I love your cute rainbow top. Hello.
I found her again. It's wandering. It's found the aisle. Oh, look at it. This fabled parrot creature.
Talking to people. Boom. Boo! Look at that.
Oh, you grabbed both of them.
Oh, my favorite, Violet.
Oh.
She's like, this.
Okay, I hold.
Can we at least get like one of these for her? Sorry, we can't do that one. Oh my gosh, it is so cute.
Here, we put these.
Can we get like, can we let her choose what one she wants? Okay.
Yeah?
Scarlet. Not sure Scarlet.
She's off. Where's this parrot gonna fly off to? Leave her be.
No.
You need a sweater?
Hey.
Strange little parrot, distracted by jewelry.
Well, they do love shiny things. That's a fact.
Hey, hey. Don't eat it.
Like that?
Yeah, that's cute. Uh-huh.
That'd be so cute on you.
Oh, let's leave it. Continue on your journey.
She wants that.
Oh gosh. Hey, come on. Come on. good. Can I have it? Look at the little tail. So cute. Go for him. Where you going? Oh. You want to go the opposite direction? You don't need to worry about those for a while. Come on. Come on. Come on.
I told you.
She moved on. Right? Super adorable, huh? But now we gotta wake up this little bean and we'll get her in her outfit. Bubbles.
Hi, baby.
It's Halloween.
Oh.
Oh,
You ready
sleepy
to go
bed.
trick or
Little
treating?
sleepy head. Oh, I'm sorry. I wish you could just sleep. Oh, baby.
You wanna go trick or treating?
That's how I feel when I wake up too.
Get her car seat and we'll just
Oh,
put her in
honey.
her outfit when we get there.
A few moments later.
Just sleep, almost sleeping away. What are you doing?
I can't get up, I'm stuck.
What are you doing? You just like hanging out? Yeah? So cute. Where's the baby? Where'd you go?
Yes.
There you are.
You wouldn't even be able to find one right now. To be honest
So
with you.
cute. How's it going in there? Having a good time?
Usually, Kaylee, if you leave the porch light on.
If the porch light's on.
Wait, you forgot the bag.
I'm not doing it.
Come here, let's put your pants on. Come on, where are you going? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. I'm tired. Come put your pants on. Come here.
Whatever.
No pants for baby tonight. Well, there you have it, folks. We are home. Sorry we didn't have a lot of footage of us trick-or-treating. It was dark, and you just couldn't really see anything, so it was kind of lame. But, anywho, we're finally home. We made a decent haul. Let's see what these kids raked in tonight.
Okay, I'm first. Okay?
Oh, yeah! Oh, what do we got? What do we got in here?
I got a big Reese's.
Oh, dang. Okay, okay. We got some good stuff.
Yeah,
We got some good stuff.
Hey! Don't try to steal my candy.
You got your own bag.
I got
Yeah?
these mini Snickers.
Some good stuff now. Let's not forget, everyone, the dad tax. That's right. So the way the dad tax works is dad comes in here, looks at this big old pile, and let's see here. So this is all that you made. We're going to take taxes, are usually
And the cupcake.
probably around 25%. That's on my side of the pile. This is the hey. Don't, you'll get sent to jail if you evade these taxes.
Hey.
This is the dad tax. You can have that. Okay, there you go. That's the hey. Young lady, go to prison right now. You're going to jail. You're going to jail. You're going to jail. See, when you evade taxes, you go to prison, children. Is that where you want to be? You want to be in prison?
Guys, this is not real. This is a fiction. So, yes.
Lessons always start early on.
Look, hey, Scarlet, look.
Let's see what you got.
Our bag. Look at this. Whoa.
I think she got more than you.
Whoa,
Hey, oh.
She has donuts.
Yeah.
Not the dots. The dots suck.
Dots?
I got a little soda.
You can't drink that. That's for mommy.
Girl, you made quite a haul.
That's because mommy had a little.
You real excited about that? What is that?
Reese's. Scarlet, look here.
Kaylee,
No,
you trying to skim?
no, this was mine.
Oh,
It
I'm
has
just
my
kidding.
slobber on it.
Here, Scarlet, look. Here you go.
Oh,
Wait.
girl.
Can I show them something?
Come here, look.
So at our house, we each got a good thing, and I wanted the Reese's, and I'm like, I don't know what she likes, so I'm just gonna get her the Twix.
Twix is delicious.
Yep, the Reese's.
How is it? You want more?
Oh, she got gum. She can't have gum.
She can't have a lot of this.
I know.
Now before you eat any, we got to check it.
Look,
Make sure it's all
look
safe.
what they have.
Oh, you're just gonna... Oh,
Another bag.
thank you, baby. Look at this. She gave me candy. I didn't even have to take the dad tax from her. Thank you.
Look at this. Chocolate Laffy Taffy.
Gross.
What?
can't be
what
good.
needs to use this?
Oh, girlfriend just figured out how to open her Reese's.
Oh my
You want
gosh.
another one? Come here. Here.
Maybe in the next video, we are gonna try
Did you
it.
just find another one?
Yeah, here, Scarlet, look.
No, she's going for it.
Scarlet, look, here.
Gosh, that's so good.
Looky, looky, looky.
There you go.
Well, did you guys have a good Halloween?
Uh-huh. Even though my cupcake got smashed.
Oh, weird.
Gosh.
I don't know how that happened.
Oh, like, look at this.
Must have been in the battle.
I'm sure it still tastes good.
Yeah, I usually eat it.
The tax battle. We had a fantastic Halloween, so thanks for hanging out with us, guys. We love you. We appreciate you. Keep coming back to see us. We'll see you next time. Hope you had a great Halloween. Bye.
Bye.